Yo, chat, you back with another video. Today I'm back with another video, as I just said. My name is Elzo, and if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. And you'll like my YouTube channel. You'll like what I do. Interested? Yeah, interested. So like, comment, subscribe. And today we're going to create a keycap. And if we can create the best keycap, I'm going to get y'all with 3 videos, chat. 3 videos. So let's skip it. Hi, welcome to create a keyboard cap. Skip tutorial. Okay. Okay, let's go. I see we level 1. Never played this game before. As you see. Okay, where's mine? Where's mine at? This one's? No. Your island. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, I guess we just press 1. Okay, no, we don't. Okay. Oh, right here. Oh, bench. Customize. Please equal a keycap with. Oh, free over here. Okay. Oh, what is this about? Okay. Check. Join electric shoes. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Equal a key. Oh! Wait. Remove it? How do I equal one? Chat, this game is. Oh, weird. I don't know. Oh. Customize 5 keycaps. Award. Huh. Okay. Rewards. Claim. 500 cash. Okay, shop. Okay, quest. Customize 5 keycaps. Seems easier than me. I'm just trying to find out where I get my key. Where's the keycaps though? I'm starting to think it's right here, but I'm trying to press it, but. Please equal a keycap and try it again. Huh? What does it mean? Chat? I'm pressing these, but I don't know if that's it. Claim. Is that right, chat? Is that right? What? Huh? Oh, how do I do this? No. Reverb. Quest. Chat, I do not know how to do this. Do I go shop something? Oh, buy keycaps. I like to buy some keycaps, yes. Mechanic keycaps, 125. Grammy keycap, no. We need to go to the highest one we can buy. That's this one. Type. Okay, we bought it. Now I know how to do it, chat. Alright, so let's go back to our island. Alright, over here. Okay. 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 Now customize. Okay. Okay, change. Okay. Let's go like apply. Okay. Basically, my favorite color is red and green and black. So we won't keep the color red. Okay, text color. Blue. We're gonna go black. Apply. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Texture. Wood. Okay. Let's see. Arrow. What is that? Okay. I like like the apply. I like that. Let me see my key up. Where is that? Place it right there. Okay, chat. Liking it, liking it. Okay, every time. So basically every time I step in. Okay. We can. Okay, chat. I'm getting the hang of it. If we can do if we could create 5 keycaps, it'd be right. Just right. Okay, let's leave this game right quick. Leave the game. Like. Join back. Okay. Got power from the neighbor, now Rari in the stable. Run through my first 100 grand. I wish I could have stayed. I miss this shit. Hey, a big greater. Y'all running with the song? It's Mr. Trendsetter about Lil Baby. Alright. Okay, so alright, now let's go to free. And we claimed it, okay? Okay. What I do? KeyCap with 5. I know what I'm doing. Yep, I know what I'm doing. Oh, child, I'm smart. Watch this. I like to buy keycaps, right? Once you go here, right? You can buy this, and that. All the way. Yeah, okay. I'm smart, chat. And then we'll go in this video. This is me off, chat. 2, 3. Okay. Remove her. And we're gonna customize all of this. Select, customize. Okay, color. We're gonna go blue this time, okay? Okay, purple. Okay, that's cool. Oh, okay, we're gonna keep black. Texture, smooth plastic. Did it even change? Oh, I like that one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Front. Oh. Nah, I like this. Highway. Okay. Apply. Put it right there. Okay. Oh, let's spell Elzo. It's gonna go E right there. L already there. Z by the O. And Elzo. Okay. Let's do it. Remove her. That one. Alright, what? Okay. We don't have to spell Elzo. We're gonna change this color to white. Okay. Just like this. Apply. Okay. Put that right there. Okay. Let's do one more. I'm gonna hit y'all with a part 2. I got y'all. Okay, pink. We gotta do one for the ladies. You feel me? We gotta do one for the ladies. Nah. They don't go right with the ladies, you feel me? Oh, we're gonna do, let's do white for the ladies. Nah, black for them. No! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Apply. Did I do it? No. Apply. Oh, no. Apply. Okay, test color. Test color gonna be black. Okay. Apply. And we had to hit one for the ladies. The men can't always have something. We gotta have one for the ladies. Okay? If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Name of this game is Customizing KeyCap, I think. Yeah, I think, right? No, create a KeyCap. My name is Elzo. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. And comment what game I should play next. Peace.